Here is how to join a Discord server on your mobile device. There are a few ways to join, whether the server is private or public. First, launch a Discord application. Let's go ahead and join a Discord server without an invitation. Log into your specific account, and if someone has invited you to the server and sent the invitation within a Discord chat, you can open that specific Discord chat and then tap on the server, tap on join button, and you'll be in the server instantly and you'll be added to the server list. Another thing you can do is if you received a Discord invitation link outside of Discord, like in text message or email or any other app, you need to tap on the invitation link like we just did in Discord, and Discord should automatically open and tap on accept invite, and you will now have joined the server. And if you do not have an invitation and you want to find a public server to join, go ahead and tap on the plus icon from the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap and join a server. You can enter invite link over here. And if you do not have an invite link, open your web browser. For this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and search for Dress to Impress Discord server on Roblox. Go ahead and access the official Discord and then tap on accept invite to join the Discord server instantly. And you can see that I'm now the member in Dress to Impress on Discord. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.